If you want to upload your project to GitHub, then this video is for you. In this video, I will walk you through the two ways to get your project uploaded on GitHub. The first one and the easiest one is drag and drop, and the second one and the best one is terminal method. By the end of the video, you will be uploading your project to GitHub and even track every changes you make in the future. Let's get started. So first thing first, what is GitHub? GitHub is an online platform where users can upload, share and access their project on cloud. Think of it like Google Drive, but specially made for developers and coders. Here's what you can do with GitHub. Showcase your projects publicly, collaborate with others on the same code base, track every change and update with a version history, go back in time to previous version if something breaks. It's like having checkpoint in a video game. If your project breaks, you can go back to a working version, just like reloading a saved game. This all made possible because of something called Git. Now, what is Git? Git is a technology or tool that works behind the scene of GitHub. You can think of Git as a time travel tool for developers. It lets you save snapshots of your project, go back to the previous version if needed, see who changed what and when if you are working with multiple users, or work on multiple features at once using branches. Git allows you to push code from your computer to GitHub and also allow you to pull changes back from GitHub to your local project. Git plus GitHub is powerful combo every developer should know. Now, to use GitHub commands and Git, you need to install Git on your system. Open your browser and search for download Git. Then click on download button. Your OS will be automatically detected. Install it using default setting and just keep clicking next and finish. But wait, we also need to add Git to your environment variables, especially on Windows. This setup makes sure that Git works in any terminal window across your system. After installing, press Window plus S or search for environment variables and then click on Edit the system environment variables. In System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. In the bottom section, find a variable named Path and then click Edit. Now click New and paste the path where Git is installed. Usually something like this, or just paste this thing. Click OK on all windows. Now test it by opening a terminal and type git -v. If it returns a version number, Git is ready to use. Okay. Now search for github.com and log in. Once you are logged in, create a new repository, then give a name and add a description if you want. Keep the repository public or private as per your choice and then create repository. Now on the next screen, you will see a drag and drop area, or drag your project files, not the entire folder, or use choose files to upload it manually. Don't forget to scroll down and write a small commit message and click commit changes. But this method does not let you track changes or let you save checkpoints like Git does. Now let's upload the project in a professional way with GitHub terminal. Now let's create a Next.js app as an example, but this works with any app. Now open your browser side by side with terminal and write these all terminal commands. Git init to initialize Git tracking for your project, and then git add dot adds all your current files to staging, and then git commit -m and your message like initial commit saves the current version with a message. Git branch -m main renames the current branch to main so that we upload our project in main branch. And then git remote add, just copy these and paste it here. This links your local project to GitHub. And last, git push -u origin main pushes your project to GitHub. Now your project uploaded professionally with version control. If you ever mess up and want to roll back to the previous version, Git can do that too. Let me know in the comments if you want that command.